Oh, hiya. What are you all doing here? Well, since you're interested in what I'm doing, I am at B&Q Kirkcaldy, just picking up a couple of bits and bobs for tomorrow, because the Dunfermline branch doesn't have it. I'm needing clips for a downpipe, because this week's a wee bit special. Got a lot on this week. There's something a little bit different, and it involves scaffold. I've got a tower scaffold coming tomorrow, roughly just over 5 metres, and that should take me up above a bit of guttering for a bit of roof on a block of flats. And I had the drone up the other day. I'll show you the footage. Now you can see what the job entails. Looks like the wind's either caught under the slates and shifted them and rattled them free. One's fell down intact, but it looks like I'm going to have to go up there and put them all back in, because there's a little gap. One of the slates is meant to cover, but the gap's open now, so the water's getting down and washing out. This is what the customer sent me. I'll show you. Right, that was last week. Today is the 26th of February. It's a Monday. Lovely day. Tomorrow's to be just as nice. I think I've got a wee bit of rain in the morning, but hopefully I'll have the scaffold built and most of the job done by then, I would think. I would hope so anyway. Because it doesn't look like it's going to be a big job. But the pipe that's coming from the side, that's the one that's feeding the garden on the side I'm working on, if you like. That's all slack. They've never put a bracket, so I went and got brackets. I'm hoping the pipe's 68mm, so I'm pretty sure they fit 68mm. So if I can get it, put it around, just get the pipe to come out up, and just pin it to the wall, it should never move again. Because it's just sitting, you know, the spout's actually going into it, but it's fell away. So I want to try and, while I've got the scaffold, do everything at once. So I've got that, then I've organised for the company to take the scaffold up to another job, which I'm going to be doing more guttering and a bit of painting outside for this house here. So I will do my best to bring the camera along and film it. I'm not promising nothing because I don't have the customer allow me, but obviously I won't show locations and property, things like that, or even the people, the customer that's there. It's all confidential, as you know. So I shall nip in here and grab what I need to get, and I'll be back. I don't know when I'll be back. It might be tomorrow, but I hope you enjoy. And if you do like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscription, and let's get into it. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. Tuesday, 27th February 2024. It's just gone 7:57 in the morning. Just arrived at the job and I'm waiting on Speedy Hire. Give me a call to say they're on their way with the tower. So it's all booked for this morning. Get it up, get the roof checked, get it repaired, get it down, and about 3 o'clock this afternoon they'll be back along to take it to another job. So we've got a busy day ahead, and it looks like the weather's taking a wee turn for the worst. It's starting to rain, but it's not going to stop the spirits and stop the job getting done. So I'm going to crack on. I'm not going to blather on like I normally do. Good morning, here we are again, and I hope you enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, any comments down below. Thank you very much. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
Well, we're up high. I'm high, down low. Wait to my dad. Hiya. Just set up the tower. You can see what's going on now. Tails have all moved. I did move this apart already, but you can see with the drone. There's where the nail was on it. What's happened is, there's a nail there. So that. No, the nail's further up. What's happened? Just broke free the nail, I think. There's a nail there. It could be the nail there. If that was sitting there. That seems about right. You've got this wee bit of slate here, which has been missing. So, good job I brought some slate, so I'll bring the slate and the hammer. See if we can chop it, get them back in here, a couple of clout nails. And the wood isn't too bad. See a bit of must have been getting in here. After that, the guttering seems okay. The gutter in there is pretty choked. Missing a bit of sand and cement in here. See if we've got enough time to plug that today. Sort this gutter out. Put a bracket on this. So I'll have to go and get my bucket with a string and load it up with tools and get it up here. Yeah. So the tails have moved. Try and spring them out the road. As long as you can fill in the gaps, and there's no gaps for the water to get down. Just getting down the back of the gutter, running down there, washing down the wall, and getting into the wall. So I was wanting to get this off and see what we've got. Pull that away. See we got. That's where the water's washing down right there. Also, must be finding its way inside the building with these gaps. The point is not the greatest, but two different landlords, and the landlord behind here doesn't want this touched, so all we can do is repair the gutter. So I'll bring you back in a minute, guys. Cheers. Wow, that taken forever to get my phone to react. Switch off and turn it back on again. But there we go. Managed to secure this. Secured that with a screw there. That's this are sitting solid. Move this bracket along, and it's pulling this in. As you can see, the gun's actually broke there. So as I come down, push this out. But I managed to get it back in again, so it's looking even better now. With some of the sticky flash in here, I've got it along here and get the tiles on top, and that should be it. Job done. Bring you back in a minute.
A few moments later.
Well, I'm not a roofer. I've done the best that I can. I've got this all-round banding. I should have got the right clips, but kind of tricky with all this weight pushing down the way. But aye, the majority of them are all set in place now. These are all screwed in. Just going around that just to have these slates on. So everyone goes onto an air slate. There's not one that's actually allowing the water to go to the back of the gutter now, so that's that. It's looking pretty damn good. It's just rubberised flashing that. It'll just heat up and bend and do what it needs to go. So the water will come down here. It'll go either side, right down the plug hole. I'm going to get some sand and cement, patch this up. You can see it's all cracked up there, but we'll get this wee bit done, and that's that. And I put 2 new brackets on the wall to secure the pipe, so that is now solid. Can't move. Good job. Right, sand and cement, here we go.
2,000 years later.
And job's a good one. Done the sand and cement in there. I'm not a roofer. Done the best I can though. They're starting to fucking piss it down, but we've all got the rubber flashing in there. Pipes are secured. Sand and cement done. Job's a good one. And it looks dry under there. Perfect. Let me take it in. Hey guys, Saturday night. 2nd of March. Come back down to this wee job that we done at the start of the week. We got a chance to pull it here. I'll show you it. Yes, there we go. Right, let's have a quick look as I drove past. We've not had any rain, but we had a wee bit of rain earlier on, so I've come down. Down, bone dry. So that was a good one. Right, on to the next job. Cheers for watching, guys. Ta-da!